Truly wireless earbuds are everywhere. The AirPods have blown up like no other pair of earbuds, and other companies have started to get in the market, for example Sennheiser, Bose and Samsung. For me, truly wireless earbuds are great for everything but music. For watching YouTube videos, calling people, yes please. And since I decided to use a Samsung device, using the Samsung Galaxy Buds was the next move, and man, I really like them. I will start with how they look. By now you've probably seen them 8,000 times, so I'll be quick. They look nice, they're comfortable, and they have a nice build quality. The clickiness, however, of the case is not so satisfying compared to the AirPods one. I'm just saying. I like the fact they went for a matte plastic finish because the AirPods glossy finish was doomed to be full of scratches, as this is something that's tossed around. There are a few colors to choose from as well. There's white, black and also yellow if you're feeling cheeky. At the back of the case you will find a USB Type-C port for charging, however they also support wireless charging. The buds have a touch interface at the back, so you can interact with them for things like answering calls, play posts and even toggling Google Assistant. That's good and all, but how do they sound? Well, let's just say you will not be disappointed. Samsung makes a point of making it very clear that they've used AKG for the sound development, and they have resulted in an overall balanced and great sound. They're not the best, but they're okay. You can change, however, the way they sound using the Android-only app. Connecting to the device takes little to no time and is overall seamless, which is nice, and on Samsung devices, which I have tested it, there's no latency at all. I can't say the same for non-Samsung devices, however, because I've not really tested it and I've not heard the best. Even though they're not noise cancelling, they have a snug fit and that helps in reducing background noise. Therefore, Samsung has something called ambient mode, where it uses the microphones to keep you connected to the outside world while listening to music. Enough praising though, what about the problems? Well, I've not really found that many problems to make them a deal breaker. However, there's one very irritating thing. There's no way to see the battery life of the case with a percentage. You have to guesstimate the battery life from a little light at the front of the case, which is not the most functional thing. Let's reach a bottom line though. Samsung might have figured it out. Being an AirPods user myself, I can say that these are great alternatives if you're using a Samsung device. If you have something else though, apart from Samsung, well, I can't really endorse them.